Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a DB. Connect your device with USB debugging, enabled, and accept the RSA prompt when it appears. Install Android SDK platform tools and add the folder to your path environment variable. Verify connection with a DB devices and reboot into bootloader if needed. Use a DB install to sideload apps and a DB shell for command line access. Keep drivers updated for stable connections. Enable USB debugging in developer options and confirm any prompts on the device. On Windows, install OEM drivers or use Google USB driver via SDK Manager for reliable detection. On Mac OS and Linux, drivers are not required, but ensure platform tools are executable and in path. Use a DB devices to confirm the device shows as authorized. If stuck, revoke USB debugging authorizations and reconnect. Or restart a DB server with a DB kill. Learn the core ADB commands for daily tasks and troubleshooting. Use a DB devices to list devices, a DB install app to install apps, and a DB uninstall package, name to remove apps. Use a DB pull and a DB push to transfer files between device and computer. Use a DB reboot bootloader, and fastboot when needed for flashing. Combine a DB shell with PM, and Logcat for deeper debugging, and app man.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.